Use a full system configurations. Okay, section PH.
What if I tell you that you can run a penetration testing AI agent inside your Kali Linux machine? Okay, in this video we are going to talk about two tools where we are going to use these tools inside the Kali Linux for performing penetration testing. Okay, only authorized penetration testing can be done. This is a completely educational video which will not promote any illegal activities related to the hacking. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, please do subscribe to the channel because we do every week 3 videos where we are going to upload one AI video and one theory, another one is practical. Okay, 3 videos per week, and this commitment will not go away from my side. Okay, so that please, if you are a learner of or else if you are a security enthusiast, please do subscribe to the channel. Okay, let me take you the screen and show you how exactly we can install and we can configure and run the scans. Okay, uh, let's go, brother.
Okay, let me start with the hacker AI. Okay, hacker AI. Okay, let me see. This is the website which is it provides the hacker AI. Okay, log into this website, and if you come here near, ask, you will see two options. One is ask, another one is agent. Click on agent, and here you will see three options. Here you will see three options: desktop app, remote machine, upgrade. Go for remote machine. Okay, after coming here this window, generate a token which is going to be your Kali Linux machine. It's going to connect to your Kali Linux machine. Okay, you have generated token and you have copied it. Come to your Kali Linux machine. On terminal, we have to execute this whole what we say, this whole copied command. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, once you hit enter, it will automatically connect to that database, as you can see here. Okay, it will take some time. Let me check that is that configured or not. No, it is not still configured yet. Let me see to here. Yes, it is saying that local is ready for this, connected to the command line. Okay, yes, go here, come here, ask. You will see here your Kali Linux machine name. You are going to see here your machine name, that is a Kali Linux machine, my demon, whatever it may be. Okay, by giving your task here only, you can automate your penetration testing what we say process. Okay, let me do that with let me scan some networks. Let me scan some networks here only. I'm going to scan one dummy what we say one dummy website which is already out there. Okay, you can go here with pentestground.com. In this website you will see the vulnerable systems which are dummy you can use for the practice of the penetration testing. Now I'm going to use this Daman vulnerable web application. Okay, I will copy this one and we'll come to hacker AI. Okay, the prompt is simple. Okay, scan this target using nmap, and no, we are going to use directly Metasploit. Scan this target using Metasploit. I think Metasploit will take so much time. Let me do it with nmap only. Okay, sorry for the confusion. Nmap, the target name is here. Don't test any websites or any domains which you don't have any authorization or permission. Okay, this is a dummy website we can use for the practice. This is not illegal. Okay, let me execute this, and also give me the list of vulnerabilities that are present in this domain. Okay. If you hit enter, it's going to automatically scan. You can see here it is 1 minute. It will show you once it's started its execution. It will show here logs. What is that is whatever that is doing. Okay. Not here. You see. You can see here it is scanning with the service versions, and also the what we call this SC as the vulnerability scanning. Okay, for the port, especially for this port. Okay, and it's going to give me the report. It's going to give me the report in the nmap scan.txt in txt format. Is going to give. We will see how this site is running vulnerability. It is, the target is running this web application. It is told. See, you can see here same web application, right? Name, domain name means what we say. The target name same is there, right? Let me see what it's do with this. Okay, I will come back with the results. You can see here that it's going to first try with the nmap. Okay, when it's not work with the nmap, it's going to try with the Nikto and GoBuster and other tools also. Okay, you can exactly tell the AI agent that what to do, how to do, and also next one, which are the tools you have to use for this penetration testing and all. I want you to analyze the whole results, and do check out in description. I have given the master prompts. Okay, do check out the PDF I have uploaded in the description. Okay, 1 minute, we will see the results, right? Yes, you can see it has given me the what we say txt report. The download GoBuster scan. It is okay. Sorry. That is a GoBuster scan. In this GoBuster scan, it has found the database. Okay, database is what we say 301 means moved on. It's a moved on status is there. Robot.txt is found. Favicon is found. Favicon.io, this is found. Next here htx is passwords. Okay, let me go through this report. Scan completed pentestground.com. This is a target summary. This one IP address of this exactly IP address. This one server name is njxx. Application is running on this one. PHP version is 8. I have shown you, right, PHP in the php.info file. This is one. Critical vulnerabilities. You can see that critical vulnerability, SQL injection, especially error based. If you execute this for the logging in, it will show the error. Okay, it will show an error. Will trigger that SQL error. Using that, you can manipulate to that machine. Okay. Next, blind SQL is there, which is a time-based blind SQL. Next one, local file inclusions, which is passwords, which is revealing this one password. And next one, which is also readable. You can format, right? It doesn't have any what we say permissions, access control permissions. Okay, remote file inclusion confirmed. Remote URL inclusion works. Okay, means remote URL inclusion works means you can execute. We say right, remote code execution vulnerabilities. These are the vulnerabilities. Those. Next one, high severity vulnerabilities. Further cross-site scripting stored. Cross-site scripting. 302 is moved on. Okay, sorry. Evil.com confirmed insecure file upload. No validation on upload means we can upload any insecure file. Means if you have any malware file, you can upload that direct. Okay. Next one, you can do the brute force. No rate limiting. You can do the brute force. Okay. Next one, weak session IDs. Session IDs are predictable tokens. Okay. Next one is for the information which is already disclosed. Okay. We can see here PHP and INX server versions are already disclosed in the HTTP headers. Next one, PHP information is exposed, which reveals a full system configurations. Next one, vulnerability report. It has given first provided with a vulnerability report. Next one, this one. Abilities. And last one is recommendation. What you have to what we say recommend means remediation. I think remediation plans. Implement the content security policy, X-frame options, XX. Cross-site scripting, protection headers, rate limiting. You have to rate limit for the captcha. Mark out the login failed attempts because it allows to brute force. it allow to brute force the application, right? That's what you have to limit, lock out the captcha after failed login attempts, some amount of failed login attempts. After that you have to limit the logins. Okay, let me go back and show you one more quickly, that is Google CLI. Okay, when you are coming here, go to the terminal first and use sudo apt space Gemini CLI, Gemini -CLI. Use this command to download the Gemini. Okay, sorry, invalid operation. Why it is telling me invalid operation? Am I did any wrong here? Sudo apt install. Okay, sudo apt install. Sorry, install Gemini CLI. Yes, you can see that it takes only 21 MB. Still available. I will come up with the results. Okay, after installation I will come. As you can see here, it's already installed. Okay, now let me go to that Gemini CLI and I will tell you how exactly that works. Okay, Mini -CLI. Okay, by using this command you have to log into that. Okay, it will ask you for the login. It will come after the login. Okay, see here, as you can see here, I have come back. I have logged in and I came back. You can chat with directly from here, Gemini, with Gemini. Okay, it's using which model? You can see here it's using right now. It's using 2.5 model. Okay, it's not using right now 3 because I not have any pro subscription right now. Okay, you can tell it to edit any file. You can see here editor files, run commands. That is you don't have to remember the commands, Kali Linux commands. Okay, using this what we say Gemini means. Okay, this is also like a same hacker AI, works as a same hacker AI. Hacker AI has a limits per day. You can execute, I think, 5 to 6 commands. Okay, but Gemini is Gemini also gives you to Gemini gives up to 10, I think 10 to 15 commands. Okay, you watch whatever you are giving here command, whatever you are using this Gemini, that will count the API tokens. That's what I suggest you to use this for only when you need. Don't use like this. I mean, hi, hello, how are you? Create this file or else delete this file. Don't use for that. Use this for penetration testing, as I suggested you. Okay, to this one. I don't think so it will execute or not execute, but try. We will try. Okay, this is I will tell it to the. This is an dummy web applications for what? This is a dummy application for penetration testing. You can check out with that. You can check out with that. I will tell you to that. You can check out with that. It's going to take some time. I will come up with the results, what is going to share with me. Okay, okay, as you see here, it has given me the Nmap results. Okay, as the hacker AI says, it is also works same as a hacker AI. You can see here, this is giving me the vulnerabilities, direct vulnerabilities which has identified: SQL injection, cross-site scripting, broken access authentication, broken authentication and session management, insecure direct object reference, IDOR. Next one, security misconfigurations, CSRF is there, Next one, file inclusive vulnerabilities. Next one, command injection is there. Okay, like this, you have to use the Gemini CLI. Okay, this website. Okay, that's it for the today's video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss for that for the next upcoming videos. Okay, I will bring more contents like contents related to the AI, which we can adapt in the cybersecurity field. Especially for that, you have to subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye. We will see you in next video.